Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing today? So as you guys can see, I'm doing another video on the Fortuner Bakkie. What you guys don't know about the Bakkie is this Bakkie is not on the road. You can see there's no number plate and there's also no disc. So I just make an appointment at the traffic department to put the Bakkie on the road for next Friday. So me and my dad try to sort out everything on the Bakkie. If you check out my last video, we just bought 4 brand new tires. Yesterday I put on 2 park lights and 2 mirrors on the Bakkie. So today I'm going to service the Bakkie and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So first things first, I'm going to remove the air filter to take this as a sample to go and buy the service kit at Midas. So yeah. So as I just said, I will first remove the air filter and take that as a sample to go and buy the service kit at Midas. So what you want to do first is just loosen up these brackets. It is 3 brackets. There's the other one at the bottom. Easy like that. So yeah, I will see you guys at Midas. Yeah. So guys, I just come back from Midas and this is what you will need to service your car. You will need spark plugs, petrol filter, oil filter, air filter, some oil, plug spanner, screwdrivers, a hammer, 23 spanner, some paper and a jack. So the plug spanner is for the spark plugs. I will use the star point and a hammer to loosen the oil filter, the flat for the petrol filter, the 23 to drain the oil. So what I will do now is check up the Bakkie and drain the oil. So guys, now that the Bakkie is jacked up, what I will do now is I will use the paper and put it under the Bakkie so I don't waste any of the oil on the ground. Then I found this old oil can. I will just cut it open here to drain the oil. Then I will use the 23 spanner to loosen the bolt on the sump. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse on how I do all of that. So guys, while waiting on the oil to drain, I will quickly change the air filter, the petrol filter, by just loosening it up with a flat screwdriver here. For the spark plugs, as you can see, there's 4 spark plugs. So just pull out the plug cable and loosen it up with the plug spanner, and that will be all. So I will quickly put you guys again in the time lapse on how I do all of it. Guys, please note that when you pull out the plug cable, just mark it as 1, 2, 3 and 4, so that you cannot forget where it must come when you put it back, or you can just do it one by one. And if you don't have a plug spanner, you can also use a 21 socket, it also works. So now that we are almost done, all you must do is tighten up the bolt at the sump, throw in some new oil, replace the oil filter by using a hammer and a star point, and I will show you guys how to do that. So guys, now what we will do is I will just hit a hole here right through the oil filter and take this oil filter out. So yeah guys, I'm done service the bakkie. The only thing I still need to do is to check if the oil level is okay. But as you saw, it was very easy to service the bakkie. The only thing I struggled about was to remove the oil filter from the bakkie. But if you make it this far in the video, please like and comment if you have some questions. If you'd like to see more about the 1400 or about low life, you can just hit the subscribe button. So I think the next video will be about how I wash the engine bay and clean the bakkie in the inside, or maybe just letting you guys how to spray calipers. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.